Okay, gentlemen, today we're going to install our barrel on our receiver. We have our front trunnion riveted in, and we also have the trigger guard done. So we're going to line these trunnion pieces up against these. You want to make sure you have extreme pressure grease all over the uh, the the screw threads, and you want to add some grease inside the trunnion, and we're doing this on our kitchen tape. And you simply want to have all of that lined up. Notice I have the two washers over here, and if you guys want to see this a different angle, I do have the video up of removing the barrel of this AK kit that came to me with the barrel on. So we removed the barrel, we riveted the trunnion in, and now we are installing the barrel again. Now guys, this is one of the best parts of the AK build, because this is make or break time. This is where your gun starts to come together. Okay guys, so you see how those three holes fit into the three rivets on the side? I'll show it to you one more time. Right there. Into those three holes. And make sure everything's lined up. Make sure you have extreme pressure grease on everything. I'm not one shy of making a mess. So you want it on everything, and we're going to rock and roll. Now, as soon as you have that tightened up, what you want to make sure is, you want to make definitely sure that your AK barrel, this I have all over the place. It doesn't matter as long as it's not in the way. Doesn't matter that the spots are pinned on the barrel, the pieces are pinned on the barrel. You want to make sure that it's absolutely perpendicular to the bar that we're going to be pushing it on. So you want to make sure it's straight. However you set it is how it's going to hold, hopefully, if you just hold on to it. And it's not very hard. In my opinion, a child can do this, although not recommended. But, I'm just trying to get the point across that it's fairly simple. And it shouldn't frighten you guys out of building. Okay, so now that you guys have seen that setup, let's go ahead and install that barrel. I'm going to change the camera length so that you guys can have a different perspective. Okay, gentlemen, since we have the rear lined in, and I just use this hammer for a little bit of support so the barrel doesn't fall out, we have this piece from Toth Tool that comes with the barrel removal installation tool, and we slide it in there. And don't forget to keep all of this lubed up. So we're going to spray a little bit more of lube. And don't be afraid to use a lot. And don't do what I'm doing, use the extreme pressure grease. But I'm just giving you guys an example. And you see that? The barrel fell. And you got to line it up again. It's not a big deal. Once you have it lined up. And there you have it, folks. We're going to pull these nuts down, have it lined up, and we're going to ratchet that barrel in. Okay guys, we have the front lined up, we have the back lined up, and we're all greased up. Now I want to let you guys know, to do this you want to use a 3/4 inch ratchet. You don't want to use a wrench because this is kind of a careful procedure. Now I like to go very slowly and ratchet this baby in like so. And if you could see, as well as I could, you'd see that that barrel is starting to go in, and you can see the movement on your screen. It's really that simple. And I'll pan around for you right now. See? It's right there on the vise. So that's being put in, and we'll pan around to over here, and I'll let you guys watch. as I crank this in. Now you might not get as much love, or what I call is noise, when you install the barrel rather than when you uninstall it, but that is just the way things are, gentlemen, and that's being pushed in nicely. And I can't believe that I can do this easier than changing my oil. It's literally easier to do this than change my oil. Let me just make sure this is all straight. Over here. And it is. And we'll continue. See, I'm ready for more, and it's getting pushed in. I see it move. I don't want to go too fast, but it's hard not to, you know? And I'm starting to gain a little bit more resistance. Woo! See that? That's why you want to make sure it is straight. And I'm going to start keeping a hand on it to make sure that doesn't happen, but... Oh, you hear that? That's the love I was talking about. I'll shut up so you can hear. Not quite as loud as when we took it off, but it's there. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Ooh, it's sending a lot of love. It very much likes what we're doing, I can tell you that. If it has any type of archetypal spirit, of course, which we know it does, and that's why we love our guns. Maybe a little too much, eh? What is too much? Anyway, we're gonna continue on. Yeah, we're almost done. And I just want to take a hold of that to make sure it doesn't slip at all. And look at that, gentlemen. A few more turns and our barrel will be installed. Well, almost there. You gotta check it. You gotta keep checking. Okay. Okay. I just eyeballed it a little bit to see exactly where we need to get. And hear that? That's the sound of love. That sound of an AK being born. Just a little baby right now. And let me panorama again so you guys can see over here as it's coming together, because it might be a little more interesting. You see how the rear sight leaf is coming into the trunnion? I hope you can. Regardless, I'm going to show it to you in a moment. A little bit more. See that? That's amazing. I don't even have to, I have to use two hands, but that's about as strenuous as it gets. Alright, gentlemen. Our 8K is in. I just gotta release these threads. And without taking the camera off, I'm going to show you guys. And just like that, my friends, your 8K barrel is installed. Ta-da! Da-da-da! Da-da-da-da! Da-da-da-da! Build that rifle, gentlemen. No excuses. Lovely, huh? Lovely. Dun dun dun. Barrel installed. Build that rifle.